financial services company that has been generating wealth for investors for over 29 years. Today, on this occasion, we welcome our host, NSC, and Head Listing Business Development, Ms. Rachna Bhusari and her team. We are glad to have the august presence of our board of directors on this grand occasion. I take immense pleasure in introducing them. We have today with us our beloved Managing Director, Mr. Ashok Kumar Jain, our Joint Managing Director, Mr. Arpit Jain, our whole-time Director, Mrs. Anita Surendra Gandhi, Mr. Sunil Kumar Jain, our Non-Executive Director, Mr. Ashish Maheshwari, our Independent Director, Mr. Akhilesh Rathi, our Independent Director, Mr. Parag Ramesh Bhai Shah, our Independent Director, Mr. Jitendra Jain, our Independent Director, Mr. Tarun Goyal, our CFO, and Mr. Mahesh Pancholi, our Company Secretary. We welcome the entire Career Capital team, our shareholders, clients, business partners, and stakeholders who are present with us in this listing virtual ceremony. We will now commence this auspicious occasion by lighting the virtual lamp.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
With this light lamping, we all hope that our prayers reach the Almighty and we gather strength to achieve the best and excel in our work. Let me now take the pleasure to invite our Managing Director, Mr. Ashok Kumar Jain, to address this august gathering. Over to you, sir.
Ashok ji, you are on mute.
Sir, we can't hear you.
You'll have to unmute.
Thank you, Swati. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I extend my sincere gratitude to entire NSC team for hosting this event. I present a very warm welcome to all our directors, clients, business partners, employees, and stakeholders who are watching this grand virtual ceremony. Arihant Capital Markets Limited is one of the leading financial services companies of India that have been helping investors to meet their financial goals for over 29 years. The company commenced offering securities broking, depository services, merchant banking, distribution of financial products, portfolio management, and insurance broking services to individuals, corporate, and institutional clients. India is one of the fast-growing economy of the world, and yet the retail participation in equities market is very low. This offers a strong growth potential for established financial services providers like Arihant Capital Markets Limited in India. We started with a small, humble beginning with a net worth of around 3 crore and have grown to 182 crore net worth today, with a market capitalization of 266 crore over our journey. I'm excited to announce that company has delivered a CAGR return of 16% for over the last 29 years. On top of it, it has a consistent dividend paying history of more than 17 years. We recently announced the financial results of our company for the financial year 2020-21, and I am glad to announce that we have clocked the highest revenue and profit of our entire journey. The NSE listing will provide additional opportunity to attract institutional and retail investors, allowing the company to broaden its investor base, increase the visibility of the company, its growth strategy, help the company to embark on the next leg of growth with digital focus, raise the company's overall profile, and ultimate enhance shareholders' value. On this landmark moment, I would like to thank all our shareholders, clients, employees, and stakeholders for offering this unwavering support in our continued growth. We promise to work towards ensuring financial independence of every Indian. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, AKJ sir. Your vision has always enabled us to scale newer heights. I would now like to call Mr. Arpit Jain, our Joint Managing Director, to address this gathering.
A very good morning to all of you. On behalf of Arihant Capital, I would like to thank all our shareholders, employees, clients, business partners, regulators, and stakeholders who have stood tall with us through the thick and thin in our journey of last 29 years. Today's listing opens a new growth story for Arihant, and under our chairman and board of directors leadership, we will strive to achieve newer heights. We believe immensely in the Indian growth story and in power of equities and wealth creation, and aim to scale our retail and institutional business to newer heights. Asset management business and insurance broking are new verticals that will contribute in the next leg of growth. Going ahead, we believe technology will be a big enabler in increasing penetration in stock markets for the millennials and first-time investors and traders. With the help of technology, we'll transform into a fintech platform and scale our business, which we have achieved in the past 29 years, to newer heights. Hence, we are investing heavily in digital technologies to create a new age fintech platform and achieve scalability of business. We have transferred through all the ups and downs of the stock markets and are confident to clock exponential growth in the next leg with outstanding technology and our rich experience. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Arpit sir. Your new age ideas will contribute to our next leg of growth. I would now like to call Ms. Rachna Busari from NSE to address this August gathering.
Thanks, Swati. Thanks, Swati. But I think we'll be nearing the round.
Sure.
Just very nearing it, the countdown.
Yeah.
So I'll just take a break and we'll continue after the countdown. This is more important than my address. I would say that.
Sure. So with this, we move ahead towards the landmark moment we have been waiting for. Over to you, Ms. Rachna.
Yeah. I think we'll see the prize and continue. I'm just not going to be between you and your celebration. So we'll ensure the prize is flashed on the screen and I'll take over. Heartiest congratulations, Mr. Ashok Jain, Mr. Arpit Jain, and the entire team of Arihant. Heartiest congratulations.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Are we sharing the prize discovery?
Yeah.
Wow, that's really neat. Great.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
That too.
Whole team. Well deserved. So Mr. Ashok Jain, Mr. Arpit Jain, and the entire board of directors of Arihant Capital Markets Limited, a very good morning to all of you and welcome to this auspicious listing ceremony of Arihant Capital Markets Limited. It's a pleasure to onboard Arihant Capital Markets today on the NSE platform. And we all know, and it gives me immense pleasure again to say that we have had a very long-standing relationship with Arihant Capital Markets as a key intermediaries in the capital markets. I don't know how many of you are totally aware of the fact, but we have worked, and me and my team has worked very closely with Arihant Capital Markets on the SME platform also. And that gives, a confidence, entire confidence to us that, Arihant Capital Markets is not only interested in reaching out to the retail investors and promoting their products, but also facilitating fundraising initiatives of the smaller corporates. So, totally appreciate the entire efforts of Arihant Capital Markets in generating wealth and creating value for their stakeholders. And NSE is committed towards making financial products easily accessible to retail investors. And we, with intermediaries like Arihant Capital Market, will take this forward through our various outreach programs and make investing a very wide concept in India. With that, I would want to wish the entire team of Arihant Capital Markets all the best in their all future endeavors, and heartiest congratulations once more for being a listed entity on the NSE platform. Thank you.